Kenya has made important strides in improving its education system in the recent years, and since primary education was made free and compulsory in 2003, primary school enrollment rates have increased dramatically. However, for children living in remote and pastoralist areas of northeastern Kenya, access to education is limited. Lack of trained teachers, high levels of insecurity and sporadic localized conflict have affected enrollment rates in these communities, making them among Kenya's lowest.
Desperate times call for desperate measures. In northern Kenya today, because of the security situation and because of the happenings that we've had here, we are really in desperate times. We are asking our national government to have the wisdom to let go of some things.
To curb this, leaders from northeastern region say the government should lower the minimum entry grade of the P1 teachers to mitigate the shortage of teachers in the northeastern regions.
Tunataka affirmative action. Watoto wetu ambayo wamepata C- and above wakubaliwe waende kwa primary teaching college. Kama serikali inataka kusaidia, tafadhali sana sisi kama viongozi wa Northeastern tunaomba affirmative action grade iletwe C-.
Watoto wetu hawatafanya hiyo mtihani ambayo hao wengine wanafanya. Tufanyiwe special exam. Maana hata hawajamaliza curriculum, we cannot be doing the same exam as the others are doing in the other parts of the country.
The leaders warn that if teacher shortage is not addressed, it will be difficult to cover the syllabus, which will in turn lead to poor results in the national examinations. Since January, 590 teachers in primary and 244 in secondary schools in Wajir have not reported to their respective stations. The leaders appeal to the government to enhance security, especially for schools in far-flung areas which are easy targets of terror attacks.
Whether you bring them from heaven, you bring them from hell, we need teachers in this place.
As Kenyans, we must dialogue and explain to each other how we are going to defeat Al-Shabaab.
Even in the Constitution, it says the highest organ of security is the National Security Council. And it goes on saying the power of the National Security Council is subordinate to civilian power. No government can sustain security. It is the people.
The leaders drawn from the northern part of the country are now blaming Kaimeni for the deteriorating standards of education in the counties. They are now calling on the government to redeploy more teachers, assuring the teachers of their security. Brenda Kiprono reporting for Channel 1 in Wajir County.